Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that every Windows user should know about: the essential run tools that can help you enhance your Windows experience. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, these tools are bound to make your life easier. So, without further ado, let's get started. To access Run, simply right-click on Start menu and select Run or use keyboard keys Win+R to access it. Now let's start our 33 run commands. Command 1, Change Up. This handy tool allows you to change your Windows product key without having to navigate through multiple menus. It's incredibly useful if you need to update your product key for any reason, such as upgrading your Windows edition or resolving activation issues. Command 2 Choice. This command line tool enables you to create batch files that prompt users to select from a list of options. It's perfect for automating tasks and creating user-friendly interfaces for your scripts. Command 3, Cleaner. This tool, also known as Disk Cleanup, helps you free up disk space on your computer by removing unnecessary files such as temporary files, system cache, and more. It's a quick and easy way to keep your system running smoothly. Command 4, Charm App. This tool allows you to view and insert special characters and symbols into your documents. Whether you're writing an email or designing a presentation, Charm App is your go-to tool for adding that extra flair. Command 5, Control Passwords 2. This tool provides access to the advanced user account management options in Windows. From here, you can manage user passwords, control user access to the computer, and more. Command 6, Tune. This tool, also known as ClearType Tuner, allows you to adjust the text display settings on your monitor for improved clarity and readability. It's perfect for fine-tuning your display to suit your preferences. Command 7, Dexdiag. This tool provides detailed information about your computer's DirectX configuration and diagnostics. Whether you're troubleshooting graphics issues or checking for compatibility, Dexdiag has got you covered. Command 8, Computer Defaults. This tool allows you to set default programs and file associations for various file types and protocols. It's a great way to customize your Windows experience and streamline your workflow. Command 9, disk.msc. This tool, also known as disk management, allows you to manage disk partitions and volumes on your computer. Whether you need to create a new partition or format an existing one, disk management is the tool for the job. Command 10, msinfo32. This tool provides detailed information about your computer's hardware configuration, system components, and software environment. It's a valuable resource for troubleshooting hardware issues and gathering system information. Command 11, regedit. This tool allows you to view and edit the Windows registry, which contains settings and configurations for the operating system and installed applications. It's a powerful tool, but use it with caution as incorrect changes can cause system instability. Command 12, msconfig. This tool, also known as system configuration, allows you to manage startup programs, services, and boot options on your computer. It's a great way to optimize system performance and troubleshoot startup issues. power.cpl. This tool provides access to power management settings and options on your computer. Whether you're looking to optimize power usage or configure sleep settings, power.cpl has everything you need. Command 14, winver. This tool allows you to check the version and build number of Windows installed on your computer. It's a quick and easy way to verify if you're running the latest updates and patches. Command 15, PSR. This tool, also known as Problem Steps Recorder, allows you to record and document steps to reproduce a problem or issue on your computer. It's a valuable tool for troubleshooting and providing detailed information to support technicians. Command 16, timedate.cpl. This tool provides access to date and time settings on your computer. Whether you need to adjust the time zone or synchronize with an online time server, timedate.cpl has you covered. Command 17, npa.cpl. This tool, also known as Network Connections, provides access to network adapter settings and configurations on your computer. Whether you need to set up a new connection or troubleshoot network issues, npa.cpl is the tool for the job. Command 18, appwiz.cpl. This tool, also known as Programs and Features, allows you to view and manage installed programs on your computer. Whether you need to uninstall a program or change its settings, appwiz.cpl makes it easy. Command 19, netpwiz. This tool allows you to manage user accounts and passwords on your computer. Whether you need to add a new user or change password settings, netpwiz has everything you need. Command 20, mstsc. This tool, also known as Remote Desktop Connection, allows you to connect to and control another computer remotely. Whether you're providing tech support or accessing files from a remote location, mstsc is the tool for the job. Command 21, resmon. This tool, also known as Resource Monitor, provides detailed information about system resource usage and performance. Whether you're monitoring CPU, memory, disk, or network usage, resmon has got you covered. Command 22, comp.msc. This tool, also known as Computer Management, provides access to various system management tools and utilities. From here, you can manage disk partitions, device manager, event viewer, and much more. Command 23, petit.msc. This tool allows you to access the Group Policy Editor, which is used to manage system settings and configurations for users and computers in an Active Directory environment. It's a powerful tool for system administrators and advanced users. Command 24, dem.msc. This tool, also known as Device Manager, allows you to view and manage hardware devices installed on your computer. Whether you need to update drivers or troubleshoot device issues, dem.msc is the tool for the job. Command 25, services.msc. This tool allows you to view and manage system services running on your computer. Whether you need to start, stop, or configure a service, services.msc has everything you need. Command 26, OSK. This tool, also known as on-screen keyboard, provides an on-screen keyboard that can be used with touchscreen devices or when your physical keyboard is unavailable. Command 27, mdsched. This tool allows you to run Windows Memory Diagnostic, which checks for memory problems on your computer. Whether you're experiencing random crashes or system instability, mdsched can help you identify and resolve memory issues. Command 28, MRT. This tool, also known as Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, helps you scan and remove malware from your computer. It's a great tool to have in your arsenal for keeping your system safe and secure. Command 29, SDCLT. This tool, also known as Backup and Restore, Windows 7, allows you to configure and manage backup and restore settings on your computer. Whether you need to back up your files or restore them from a previous backup, SDCLT has you covered. Command 30, Taskmanager. This tool, also known as Task Manager, allows you to view and manage running processes, monitor system performance, and troubleshoot system issues. It's a powerful tool for managing system resources and optimizing performance. Command 31, Restore. This tool, also known as System Restore, allows you to restore your computer to a previous state in case of system issues or errors. It's a lifesaver when things go wrong, allowing you to revert changes and get your system back up and running. Command 32, firewall.cpl. This tool allows you to access the Windows firewall settings and configurations. Whether you need to allow or block specific programs or ports, firewall.cpl has everything you need to keep your system protected. Command 33, prefetch. This tool, also known as prefetcher, is a feature in Windows that helps improve the startup time and performance of frequently used applications by preloading them into memory. It's a behind-the-scenes optimization that helps ensure your most used programs are always ready when you need them. These are the essential run tools that every Windows user must know about. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, incorporating these tools into your workflow can help you enhance your Windows experience and make your life easier. So go ahead, explore these tools, and unlock the full potential of your Windows system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy computing!